all about just when I was growing up and the bands at the time and how it felt to be wanting to be in a band at the time. My life was so wonderful. It was anarchy from Rome to Hull. I was born for this, and all I want is this. 17 I used to play guitar, and I never knew I could dream so hard. And though it feels like it was yesterday, and though my heroes are all overweight, I'm still waiting for my world to change. My life was like a fairy tale, 'cause lightning roared and Roxy wailed. I was born for this, and all I want is this. And teenage kicks where we had our fun, and I'm not happy with the songs I've sung, but I can't resist. You know, sometimes I think of this. There's a little piece of me, it's somewhere in my memory. I love this world for being strange, and I know times must change, but I still feel the same. There's a little piece of me somewhere in my memory. I love this world for being strange. I know times must change, but I think I still feel the same. And there will always be